So do you have Google Analytics set up right now?
I don't actually know. I'm not sure.
Yeah, that is so true because when you're starting out your Shopify site, there's a lot of these different settings and you don't necessarily know, one, if you even did it, or two, if it's installed correctly. So let's figure that first. You already have Shopify Analytics, which is awesome, and it has some good e-commerce stats, but Google Analytics is really going to show you a lot more stuff, which is why you want to get that set up. So, okay, let's check to see if you have Google Analytics installed. The first thing you want to do is I'm going to go into Online Store, then Preferences, and then right here, this bad boy is empty where it says paste your code from Google here. But just in case, because sometimes if you work with a web developer, they might have it set up for you. So I'm going to go into your store themes to check and see if it's in your code. So in your code, this is theme.liquid. Typically, if there is Google Analytics, it's in the header, but I do not see it, and that's where it ends. So we're good. All right, so let's go back into Google Analytics, and we're going to grab that code. So do you know what that code does?
I'm assuming maybe it puts a tracker in your website.
Done. Yep. So right now, what we're going to do is I'm going to copy this website tracking and go back into here, preferences where we originally were, and then stick that in there. So now the script is in there. Save this. And now look, your UA code, your Google Analytics account is here. And then the next thing you want to do is click on Use Enhanced E-commerce so that you can learn more about your visitors' behavior and not, it's like enhanced. Okay, so then the next thing is we got to go back to Google Analytics, and I need to turn on those e-commerce settings in here. So you have to enable enhanced e-commerce reporting.
Wow.
I know, right? You just have to wait and you can start getting information about what's happening on your site. And that's when you can start really implementing different strategies.
Do I have to go to Google Analytics to find that information, or will that information be available to me on my Shopify page?
Yes, great question. Most of it is going to be in Google Analytics.
Okay.
Thanks for watching or listening or whatever. Maybe hit that subscribe button.